Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. So Mana has is following currently the analysis, the updates that we shared before. I don't cover Mana frequently. I don't cover it frequently on YouTube, and I only rarely cover it in our membership, but there have been some updates that pointed towards a rally to round about 78 cents. Let me take you through the scenarios. There's a bullish one, there's a bearish one. I don't trust the bullish one. The chart would need to prove it to me. I see the bearish one much more probable, unless really Decentraland Mana completely rallies now. But I saw a rally from this support region where the price bottomed around 25 cents, which was our 38.2 retracement level here on the chart. I saw a rally into that resistance area as very realistic, and we are, I don't know, maybe 30-40% there. There are two wave counts I'm considering. So the bullish one suggests we could be starting a wave 5 after a wave 4 bottomed here. I mean, it's not unreasonable to assume that. It is a valid scenario. It is actually a probable scenario given that the price touched the 38.2 retracement on the long-term chart, which is, which is an ideal, let's say, target for a fourth wave. But this wave count is a bit messy, very messy actually. I think it looks more like an ABC structure to the upside and then a 5-wave move down in the white count. So I think the yellow count to a new all-time high is a bit of a hopium count, whereas the white scenario is more probable. What is that like? That's a 3-wave move up into the 2021 highs, then 5 waves down. But you might say, okay, but made another low. Yeah, but that is a so-called bearish running flat. So an A or flat correction, anyway, not necessarily a running flat, but flat. So a wave up in a wave 2 correction, which is a 3-wave move up after a 5-wave move down happened. Then this here would be a B wave, which did overshoot to the downside. Dot has a similar structure. And then a C wave up could unfold now. And this is generally the standard resistance area for a wave 2. It's between 88 cents in this case and $3.14. Wide area, yeah, but we need to check the wave count in parallel, and we also have some targets, especially around the 78 to 88 cent area. 78 cents, that's the 100% extension, first ideal target for this C wave to the upside, right? So we have possibly here an A wave up, a B wave down, a C wave up. So it could extend higher. I mean, 128, 185, not unreasonable, but I would be very careful here. Overall, in the short term, it didn't matter which one it was or is. So, whether we are moving up in a C wave, in a wave 2 correction, or a wave 5 to new all-time high, didn't really matter to anybody who considered to buy in this support area. The price definitely respected it, and it reacted nicely to that support zone. Yeah. The problem is all of these gaming coins, they look really bad overall, right? Especially here now. I mean, what is this, right? What is this? What is this mess? Yeah. Best I can tell is that we have a 5-wave move up in wave 1. Very ugly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal in a wave 1. Then a wave 2 pullback. This could be a 3rd wave, which might extend. Then a wave 4 and a wave 5. I mean, that's what I can see right now. It could change. This could be different. It could turn into something different. It's not an impulse. We're dealing with a diagonal pattern probably or something. At least this was not an impulse. So wave 1, wave 2. I mean, this could be an impulse. 3, 4, 5. Or the whole thing is a diagonal. I mean, that will get super messy. But main takeaway is, as long as we're holding above the November low, this uptrend could unfold into the area 78 cents plus. I mean, it can always be more bullish, but that would be the first main resistance that I'm watching. There is some structural resistance before, especially here around 49 cents, but I guess everybody would hope that we get at least to 78 cents. Can definitely go higher. ADN, definitely reasonable, or 128. But for now, I'm watching this uptrend. It's not really a great chart. It's going to be very choppy, very ugly. Similar count I'm observing for Gala, for example. And I haven't really looked at Sand for a long time. But yeah, this is sort of the sad story of Mana. I mean, it can, but yeah. I think any all-time high fantasies are... they're just like hopium, right, at the moment. I mean, happy to change my view. At the moment, the local trend seems to be up, but it's still weak compared to other coins. That's the update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.